This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on PLS Donate. First, you must join the PLS Donate experience and locate an available stand. Simply walk up to it and claim it. Once claimed, your stand will automatically display any game passes or clothing items you have created on the platform, along with their prices. This immediate setup allows other players to see your offerings and consider making a purchase. It is the first critical step to starting your virtual storefront. To create items for sale, head to the platform's main website and find the Create tab. Here, you will select game passes from the menu on the left. Click on Create a Pass, then upload an eye-catching image, give it a compelling name, and write a short description. After creation, set your desired price in currency by clicking the gear icon next to your new pass, then selecting Configure and navigating to Sales. Remember, a well-priced item is more likely to sell. Once your game passes are created and priced on the main platform, simply re-enter the PLS Donate game. Your claimed stand will now automatically refresh and display all your newly configured items. Each item will show its name, image, and the price you set in currency. Consider offering a range of prices, for instance, from 5 currency up to 500 currency, to appeal to a wider audience. Effective display and thoughtful pricing are key to a successful selling experience. To boost your sales, be active and engage with players visiting your stand. A friendly thank you for stopping by can go a long way. Customize your stand's text with an inviting message or a funny phrase to catch people's eyes. Consider also decorating your stand if the game allows, making it visually appealing. Remember, building rapport often leads to more donations than simply waiting for them. Positive interaction is a powerful selling tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.